Starting the first type of the hydrocarbon, that are alkanes. Simplest hydrocarbons are alkanes. In these compounds, the carbon atoms are single, and that means the valency of carbon atoms are saturated by single atom with other carbon, single bond with other carbon atom. Because they have single carbon valency is satisfied with the single bond, so they are also known as paraffins. Para means less, affins mean affinity, less affinity towards reactivity, because they are not easily react with any other compound or any other element or any other thing, so they are known as the paraffins, less affinity towards the reactivity. As the first member is methane, you can see dot and cross formula of the methane. They have single bond, carbon have single bond with this hydrogen, this hydrogen, this hydrogen, and this hydrogen. So carbon is tetravalent because it made four compounds. To complete its octet, it have 4 electron in the valence shell, so it makes 4 single bond. ठीक. So these are the introduction of the alkanes. The very important thing is you should know the other name of the alkane, that is name is paraffin. Paraffin means less reactivity towards the reactivity. What are the sources of the alkanes? Petroleum and the natural gas. The first main source of the alkane is petroleum and the natural gas, which is found in the nature as well. Methane have about 85% of the natural gas जो हम घरों में यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. Next, all the marsh gas. The other source is the marsh gas, which is formed by the bacterial decay of the vegetables. वो जो you have seen when there is a garbage of vegetables or fruits, so you have special kind of smell there. You feel special kind of smell जो कि गलने सड़ने की smell होती है. That is known as the bacterial decay of the vegetables, and the name is known as the marsh gas. The other one is the fuel gas. ठीक है. Fuel gas is obtained when we burn the coals and fuels. The last source is gobar gas and sewage gas and biogas. These are the 3 types of gases which is found which are very useful for the as a source of the alkanes. So we have discussed the 5 sources of alkane. In your book you have 6 sources of alkanes, so you can see in your book. Next, the next topic is the preparation of alkanes. We will discuss the 2 method for the preparation of alkanes as it is provided in the content of the book. And because all the alkanes which contain carbon, it could be have 10, 5, 7, 15 or 20 carbons which are attached with a single bond, but their method of preparation will be same. ठीक, because they are homologous series. So homologous series which contain how many as much as long the chain is, but there is no difference in the method of preparation. If you want to prepare the methane, you will use the same method. If you want to prepare the decane, you will use the same method. The first one is the hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes. As the name show, hydrogenation mean addition of molecular hydrogen in alkenes and alkynes. ठीक है. And alkenes and alkynes, because they are unsaturated hydrocarbons, they have more than one bond. So by the addition of one molecular hydrogen, the bond will break and hydrogen will take the place of that bond. There are 2 methods for doing the hydrogenation. First we are using the palladium and platinum as the catalyst, and then in the next one we are using nickel. If we are using palladium or platinum as the catalyst then we have no need to maintain the temperature. But if you are using the nickel for the source of as a catalyst, so we have to keep the temperature between 250 to 300. That is very important to write the condition as well. In the first you can see I have taken the alkene and I have did the hydrogen, and this bond, the upper bond or the lower bond will break and this hydrogen will add in this. ठीक है. And it will be converted into ethene से convert हो जाएगा ethane में, ethene से ethane. ठीक है. If I am using any kind of alkyne, this is the first member of the alkyne is acetylene. I am using here acetylene. It will be goes in 2 steps. The first step, the first bond will break and remaining alkynes will convert it into alkenes, and then alkenes will convert it into alkanes. ठीक. In the first step, first bond will break, it will be converted into alkene, that is ethene. Then this ethene added one more molecular hydrogen in the presence of the catalyst, so the second bond will break and it will be converted into alkanes. This is the method, very simple method, and these three reactions are written in your book as well, so you have to do them. Next is the reduction of the alkyl halide. As the name show, reductions mean the addition of nascent hydrogen. Here we are using the nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen is basically atomic hydrogen, और इसको newly born hydrogen भी कहा जाता है, which is produced during the chemical reaction. Here we are using the zinc catalyst as with dilute HCl. ठीक, here we are using the zinc and dilute HCl as a catalyst. आपके पास alkyl halide है. Alkyl halide mean any hydrocarbon or alkyl group are further attached with any halide. It could be bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine, any of the halide. ठीक है. Here we are adding the nascent hydrogen. We have two hydrogen. One hydrogen will attach with this methyl group, and it will be converted into methane. And this the second hydrogen is attached with bromine, which will be converted into HBr, hydrogen bromide. This is the methane. This is the methyl bromide, which is converted into methane. Now we are taking the ethyl bromide, and which will be converted into ethane. Here we have ethyl bromide CH3 CH2 Br, which is here this nascent hydrogen will replace this Br. One hydrogen will attach with Br and convert it into HBr. The other hydrogen will convert the ethyl into ethyl into ethane. ठीक, these are the two methods for the preparation of the alkanes which are discussed in your book. Next are the physical properties of the alkanes. The first one is the state. State means the physical state of the matter, like it may be gas, it may be solid, it may be liquid. You can see the first four member, methane से लेकर butane तक, these are gases. Then these are gases converted into liquid from C5 to C10, and the other higher members are found in the series of a solid. The first physical property. The second one, because they are in non-polar in nature, as we know it, they are attached with the covalent bond, and there is no more difference in electronegativity. So they are basically non-polar in nature. So they are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. Soluble in organic solvent. Next, density. Their density can gradually increase with increase in molecular size. मतलब small size molecules will have less density, and the larger size molecule will have high density. As the density changes, with that they are melting, and the boiling point also increase gradually, because the size of atom will be increases, or size of molecule is increasing gradually. And as the size increases, they become more viscous. And we all know, because the alkanes are less reactive, so they are less flammable. Then it is not easy to burn the alkanes alone. We add some alkenes or alkyne to make it burnable. So if we talk about the physical properties, we have seen with the change in the molecular size, their physical properties are gradually changing. Either it is a state, density, melting or boiling point, viscosity or flammability. With the increase in the molecular size, their properties will also be gradually increasing or changing according to that. And